Toyota is one of the largest and best automotive providers. Our culture goes back many, many years, but we have over 1,800 dealerships, over 63,000 employees in North America, and have 12 main manufacturing plants, with the 13th being the battery plant coming right up. It's disparate in terms of, you have data lakes, we have other platforms that the data may sit in, we have databases, we have third-party data stores. So how do you create that interconnectedness and that cohesion so that you do not have to spend time just bringing all of your data into one place, but you can actually grab the data from multiple places and then get to that insight and get to those models very quickly? Amazon's SageMaker Unified Studio has the promise and the ability to do that. I think this is such an opportunity where we can leverage the catalog, we can leverage the MLOps pipelines, and we can leverage all that suite and the capabilities to launch models rather quickly and be able to share models, right, across the data science community. SageMaker Lakehouse has a lot of promise in terms of making sure that we can pull together data from multiple data stores to be able to now pull data from all of these disparate sources and create a unified way in which we can access this data and then deliver value. Our goal as an organization, and if we want to be competitive, right, in the future, we have to make sure that we change the way in which we're serving up data. It's extremely exciting to see all the development that AWS is doing in many different areas so that we can leverage these capabilities in a much quicker manner. And then again, our focus is really on providing value to the customer so that we're not fighting about where's the data, who owns the data, is it safe and secure, but rather we're spending the time on insight creation.